And how's it going, guys? This is i7 Tech here, and today I have a quick video on how to reset your Rain network if it's not working and you're having trouble connecting to the internet, which is a prominent feature on this network. I learned how to do this, and a very prominent question that I read on Rain's Twitter page from a user that has been so frustrated with this network that she had to go on the Rain feed and said that you have to be a master technician for you to use the Rain network, which is a very accurate comment, and a very fair comment. If you do not know nothing about technology and you do not know anything about using routers and signing in and whatsoever, you're going to have a problem, because you're going to keep on phoning Rain and they're going to be telling you the same thing, or they end up blocking your number. They don't answer your number anymore, because I had that situation at one point. But basically, just to not make this video longer than it should be, what you need to do is to log into your router. If you have your password, just log in right there quickly. If you don't, you can get it. It's underneath the actual router, and then you can get this is the Oppo one. I'm not sure for the Huawei one. The Huawei one is a bit different than this one. This one's the Oppo one. You go to the website over there, and then once you're in your router, your wireless router, you go to advanced settings, you go to network settings, and then you're gonna scroll down here to network mode. Now, as you can see, there's currently no internet, but the Rain tower is transmitting. So what you need to do is, when it does that, you're gonna move it from 5G only to only 4G. What that does is gonna disconnect your router from the tower. Give it like a few minutes for it to do that. It will do that itself automatically, and it will say change here. Sometimes you can refresh, but as you can see, it has done it automatically. And what you need to do is give it a couple of seconds, and then you go back and change it from only 4G to only 5G again, and then you click save, and then you can see it's gonna automatically change itself again. This time it should have internet. Give it a few seconds, and there you go, you have internet. Now this, you're gonna have to do it like a couple of times for you to get internet on your device or everywhere, because depending on the time that you're using this Rain network, especially from 6 o'clock to about 10 o'clock, it's a bit iffy. You're not gonna get internet, and that's when it's the most problematic, and that's when most people want to use the network. Basically, that's it. Quick and easy, something simple. Or if you don't want to do it that way, you can go to home page or Wi-Fi settings. You go to guest, and then you can either toggle guest on and off. If you want to, that automatically resets the router within itself. So as you can see, the router up top there is gonna switch off. If, let's say, you don't have access to the router, you're outside, you're busy, and you want to switch it off and you want to switch it on, and then there you go, it just switches off and it switches on, and it reboots quickly if you want to reboot. But if you just want to reset the network, you go and do the first one. So yeah, that's a bit quickly. And then you resetting the network, now you have to go back and do the network reset, because you resetted the router and there's no internet. And then you go through that whole process again of resetting right here the network, and then you'll have internet. Sometimes it automatically does it for itself, and then you'll have internet and you can use it. So this has been a quick video. I just wanted to share with you guys, if you're struggling with your Rain network and you're struggling to get internet. As you can see, it just disappeared again. These times are not the best times. From 6 till 10 is the worst times that you can use the Rain network, and sometimes during the day, like it's a bit iffy. No matter what the weather is, no matter what day it is, it just has its own problems. Rain, I don't recommend Rain to anyone at all. Anyway, it's been Selfie Tech. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, and press that bell so you can stay notified with the latest videos on the channel. With that being said, I'm Selfie Tech, and I'll see you guys in the next one.
You got time, and you know what to figure out. This ain't in a dream, a place where it seems